In this video, you're going to learn how to create this witch makeup ready for Halloween. All items used in this video can be sourced at Spotlight. Starting off with the BYS liquid latex, applying this to both cheekbones and the tip of the nose. Make sure you do a patch test with liquid latex before applying it to the face. Then taking the BYS scar wax and applying it to the areas where you laid down the liquid latex in similar shapes and sizes to what you see here. Then you can use your fingers to smooth out the edges and manipulate the tip of the nose to whatever shape you wish. Add liquid latex around the areas of the scar wax that you just laid down and wait to dry. Use the BYS green face and body paint and apply it all over your face. You can use a brush or a sponge for this. Taking the zombie color wheel and the color black with a brush, apply this under the cheekbones and atop of the cheekbones and blend. Apply it under the eyes, and you can also use it to create some eyebrows. I went for some pointy, oddly shaped eyebrows here. It's up to you what shape you choose. Using it to create some bigger nostrils, this just creates the illusion that the nose is bigger. Using the BYS black eyeliner to create some big wings on both of your eyes. Back with that black from the zombie color wheel, adding more shadow under the eyes. And creating some contouring to the nose. The lines do not have to be straight here, but just make sure you blend them out. The wonkier the better, it makes the nose look weird. Taking the BYS black lipstick and adding this to the lips. The shape is your choosing. Here I chose to add a Joker smile to the mouth just to make it look a little bit more weird and creepy. Adding some finishing powder and more green down the neck. Applying a wig cap. Going in with the witch wig from Spotlight. The wig is easier to apply if you tip your head forward and pull it over your head. Don't forget your hands. And this is the costume. This is the spooky Hallow adult witch costume. And this is the final look. Have fun.